Do you film some clips when you travel and want to create a cinematic intro? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create one for your vlogs here in Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any video in the future. First, let's go to the Media tab. As you can see, I've imported some media here, including some video clips and music. Now let's start editing by dragging the media and arranging them on the timeline. Now let's go to the Effects tab and search Cinematic. I'll select this one and drag it onto the second track to add the cinematic bars that will add a widescreen look to my video. Then head over to the Titles tab and search Travel. I'll use this title and drag it onto the third track. Then let's double click on it and you'll see the text setting being extended. I'll click on the Advanced button to make some changes in the text. Here you can modify the font, size, color, timing, etc. Once we finished adjusting the text, let's go back again to the Titles tab and go to the Subtitles category, and I'll use this and drag it onto the third track. To modify the text with yours, let's double-click on it and click on the Advanced button to modify the text settings as I did in the previous one. Then, let's duplicate the subtitle track on the timeline and repeat the same process to modify the text with yours. Also, don't forget to sync the text to the audio once you are ready. Now, go to the Titles tab once again and search Cinematic End Credits. I'll use this and drag it onto the third track. I selected this one because I just need to add the director's name, but feel free to check the other titles. Then, let's double-click on it to adjust the text settings accordingly as we did in the previous ones. And voila, a simple and creative cinematic travel intro is done. If you would like to recreate this, you can simply click Import Template at the bottom left of the video in Filmora Creator Academy to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you would like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.